Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. The Aam Aadmi Party welcomed its leader and Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, by bursting firecrackers just days after Delhi government imposed a stringent ban on their use. This blatant act of ignorance came as a celebration of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's bail in the high-profile liquor scam case. The irony is not lost on many, as the Delhi government had recently reinforced its firecracker ban to combat the city's worsening air pollution. The Delhi government, led by Arvind Kejriwal's AAP, announced a comprehensive ban on all firecrackers, including green crackers, effective until January 1st, 2025. This measure is part of an effort to tackle the annual winter surge in air pollution exacerbated by various factors, including the burning of crop residue from neighboring Punjab and Haryana. Environment Minister Gopal Rai emphasized that the ban would help mitigate the pollution spike during the winter months, noting that firecrackers contribute significantly to local emissions. However, the hypocrisy of this move became glaringly evident when just 4 days after the ban was imposed, AAP workers were seen celebrating Kejriwal's bail with fireworks. What makes this incident even more controversial is that the AAP government had earlier urged citizens not to use firecrackers during festivals like Diwali and Dussehra, citing the harmful impact on air quality. Yet, in a stark contradiction, the party itself celebrated its leader's bail with a massive display of fireworks outside his residence, party office, and even Tihar jail. This blatant violation of the very rules the party enforced has drawn widespread criticism. Environment activist Bhavreen Khandari decried the incident as a demonstration of the ban being merely a publicity stunt. The incident proved how half-hearted the firecracker ban imposed by Delhi government is. In a city already choking, every breach of this ban sets a dangerous precedent, Khandari stated. She called for the Delhi police to take strict action against those who violated the ban.
ये किस बात का उत्सव था जिसमें कल पटाखे जलाए गए थे? हमें तो कल भी समझ नहीं आया था, आज भी समझ नहीं आ रहा। और उससे ज्यादा दुखदाई है कि पटाखे जलवाने वाले, जब उनसे सवाल पूछा जा रहा है आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं से, तो वो गोलमोल जवाब दे रहे हैं। अरे भाई, हिंदुओं के दशहरा, दिवाली, काली पूजा पर तो पटाखे नहीं जल सकते, मगर पटाखे जलाए जा सकते हैं केजरीवाल की रिहाई पर।
Delhi BJP spokesperson Praveen Shankar Kapoor slammed the AAP government for its double standards. Minister Gopal Rai just 4 days ago imposed a ban on cracker bursting during Dussehra, Kali Puja and Diwali, citing that it increases pollution. He demanded accountability from the government, insisting that if Hindus are forbidden from celebrating with firecrackers, AAP workers should not be allowed to do so either. Kapoor urged that those responsible for the violation be identified and arrested. This incident not only underscores the duplicity of AAP's environmental policies but also highlights the broader issue of air pollution in Delhi, which is compounded by the stubble burning from Punjab. Every year, the burning of crop residue in Punjab and Haryana releases large amounts of pollutants, further deteriorating Delhi's air quality during the winter months. These emissions cause a toxic smog that adversely affects health and the environment. The AAP's action have not only undermined their own policies but also contributed to growing skepticism about their commitment to tackling pollution. As Delhi grapples with worsening air quality and political theatrics, the need for genuine and consistent environmental efforts becomes increasingly evident. Jai Hind.